Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is a commercial software that is available in CAD, so that is a computer-aided design. So before learning about the AutoCAD, so which is a commercial software, so for the computer-aided design. So first let us discuss about what is meant by CAD and so how it is originated, where it has been started. So how it has been very helpful in manufacturing sector and in industries, how it is in what are the different applications of this CAD in industries. So before going to discuss about this CAD, so let us discuss about in today's era. So there will be a drastic change in terms of technology, in terms of upgrading the technology. So that's why there is a need for every sector to be upgraded. So the upgraded means the evolution of the technology has been started from 1950s. Okay, so where the manufacturing sector is slowly converting into the semi-automatic, then it has been gone through the automatic after the evolution of the computers has been started. So here the CAD, it name itself representing that computer-aided design. So it has been assisted with the computers. So CAD will be so when you talk about the CAD, so first let us discuss about the CIM. So that is the computer integrated manufacturing. So which is the collaboration of the computer aided design and the computer aided engineering and the computer aided manufacturing. So how well you can automate the different processes that has been involved from design to the manufacturing. So you can tell it as it's a virtual thing. So it's a virtual era. So that has been started when the evolution of the computer has been started. So we had taken the assistance of the computer for the design. We had taken the assistance of the computer for the analysis. We had taken the assistance of the computer for the manufacturing. So there will be a human errors in terms of every sector. So there you need an expert, so and a very trained personnel, so to deal with the manufacturing and to deal with the design and to deal with the analysis part. Okay, so before the computer revolution has been started, so the product has been manufactured, like the design has been made, and then the analysis has been done based on the descriptive type of analysis. Okay, so like that the things are happened, and first we are going to produce the prototype, and then we will do the analysis on that, whether it may be a descriptive type or non-descriptive type of techniques you are going to apply for that. So that is a different part. So but when the evolution of the computer has been started, there has been a drastic development in terms of the virtual era. So that means whatever the different softwares that we had created, so for the assistance of the design, for the assistance of the analysis and the manufacturing. So, so the main agenda of the CAD, the computer integrated manufacturing, is the automation. So with the less human involvement or the human effort, the maximum productive work should be done. So that is the main agenda of any computer integrated manufacturing or any automation works. So here, first of all, let us discuss about the computer-aided design. So here, it name itself representing that. You can check it out here. Okay, so here the CAD will be the use of the computers or the workstations to aid in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design. So any design that you can create, you can modify, you can analyze, and you can optimize that design. And also, this software is used to increase the productivity of the designer, improve the quality of the design, improve the communications through documentation. So whatever the design that you had prepared, so you are going to well preserve it as a documentation, and then you can create the database for the further manufacturing. That means when you are going for the CAD, so design department, so you are going to make by using software, you are going to make the different designs. Okay, suppose when we take the engine, okay, so you can easily create, so the with minimal less effort. When you are going to draw by the conventional drawing, it will take so much time to create that design. and also a expert can understand so whatever the drawings that has been done, and you won't have that much clear visualization, the 3D visualization of the object and how it will look like, and you can't able to load the different what are the different types of materials you are going to use in that. So these are the things in conventional type of drawing you can't able to represent as efficiently as the CAD do. Okay, so here you can create the database whatever the design you had done. So priorly you can create the mass properties, you can give the material that will be used. Okay, so you can create the database for the manufacturing, and the designs made through CAD software will be helpful in protecting products and inventions, so the when used in patent applications. So generally it will be used in patent applications. Okay, so and generally CAD output will be often it will be the electronic format. So then it will be uh, further it will be forwarded for the other type of manufacturing operations. And here the CAD will be the computer aided drafting, you can tell it as by using software, and computer aided design and drafting also you can CADD you can say it as. And next when you go for so the design, so generally, it use in designing the electronic systems is known as electronic design automation. So in terms of mechanical design, so if you want to create the mechanical designs, you can say it as mechanical design automation. So it will include the process of creating a technical drawing, so with the use of the computers. So the main purpose of the CAD is the main thing that you will observe in CAD is you are going to assist the computer and you are going to use the different softwares for the design purpose. And here the CAD software for mechanical design, so it will uses either vector-based graphics to depict the objects of traditional drafting, or you may use the raster graphics, so for showing overall appearance of the design objects. You will have the complete visibility and you can view the object three-dimensional, and you can graphically you can see it, really virtually you can see it. And next, generally it involves more than just shapes. So as in the manual drafting, technical and engineering drawings, you may not have that much flexibility to have a virtual tour of what you had drawn. Okay, so and also you may not have the flexibility to give the materials. You can't able to convey the information like materials, mass properties, dimensions, or tolerances according to the application scientific conventions. And here are the list of the softwares that you may go ahead with that. So CAD softwares enables the engineers and architects for design, inspect, and manage engineering projects with an integrated graphical user interface. So here you are going to use the graphical user interface on a personal computer system. So previously it has been used in microcomputers, and it has been run as the softwares in microcomputers. And next, most applications support the solid modeling with boundary representation. You are going. This is the part of the solid modeling with boundary representation and NURBS geometry, and it will enable the same to be published in the variety of formats. Generally, a geometric modeling kernel is the software component that provides solid modeling and surface modeling features to CAD applications. So remember this kernel. And based on the market statistics, commercial software from Autodesk, Dassault Systems, Siemens, PLM software, and PTC. So these are the software that will dominate the CAD industry. So here, AutoCAD. So first, it has been derived from the program that began in 1977, and then it has been released in 1974. So that called the Interact Card. So Interact CAD. Also, it will be referred to in early Autodesk documents as MicroCAD, which was written prior to Autodesk's. Then Marine Chip Software Partners, formation by Autodesk co-founder Michael Riddle. So the first version of the Autodesk, it was first demonstrated in the year 1982. So Comdex and release it was released in December. So here the AutoCAD supported CPYM 80 computers and Autodesk's flagship product. So by 1986 March, So AutoCAD had become the most ubiquitous CAD program worldwide. So now the 2022 to 2022 release marked the 36th major release. So now it has been completely 40 years has been passed. So when really it has been started this invented this created this Autodesk AutoCAD software. Okay, so the native file format of the CAD. So generally you can store it in .dwg and .dwf. Okay, so .dwg this and interoperability, particularly for the 2D drawing exchange. AutoCAD has included the support for .dwf, a format that has been developed for publishing the CAD data. So here the AutoCAD will be used in industries by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, so city planners and other professionals. So generally it was supported by 750 training centers worldwide in 1994. So these are the file formats that will be there in AutoCAD. So in the AutoCAD's native file formats will be denoted either by .dwg, .dwt, .dws or .dxf file name extensions. So then you can also import in different softwares also. So like in ANSYS also you can import directly whatever the design or the geometric modeling you have done. And primarily file format for 2D and 3D drawing files created with AutoCAD is .dwg. So while other third-party CAD software applications can create .dwg files. So AutoCAD uniquely creates real DWG files. So using AutoCAD, any .dwg files may be saved to a derivative format. So which will include, so this one, drawing templates will be .dwt, and new .dwg will be created from a .dwt file. So these are the different file formats you are going to use. So drawing standard file will be, drawing template will be .dwt, drawing standards file will be .dws, and drawing interchange format will be .dxf. Okay, so this is the format. So where ASC2 representation of the .dwg file has been there, and it will be used to transfer data between various applications. And these are the commercial softwares that are available now. So AC3DA, LIVRE Design, and ArchiCAD. So this will be the Graphisoft. So these are the commercial software, different commercial softwares that are available for the CAD. So the computer design, Autodesk Inventor, AutoCAD, Extreme, BricsCAD, CATIA. So it has been developed by Dassault Systems, Cobalt, Corel CAD, Fusion 360. So it has been developed by Autodesk, and IntelliCAD, IronCAD, Suki Creator. So these are Medusa. So these are the different commercial softwares that you need to purchase. And open source software is also available. So BRL CAD, and next FreeCAD, LiberCAD, LeoCAD, OpenSCAD, QCAD, Salom, and SolidSpace. So open source softwares are these. So that is BRL CAD, FreeCAD, so LiberCAD, LeoCAD, OpenSCAD, QCAD, Salom software, and SolidSpace. And these are the freeware. So BricsCAD shape and uh, Tinkercad will be the free softwares. In this computer design, so it is one of the many tools that will be used by the engineers and also the designers in many ways, depending on their profession of the user and the type of the software in question. Okay, so according to the type of application and according to the type of industry, so those designers and those engineers are going to opt for the different softwares. So based on their requirements, and in this one, CAD is one of the part of the whole digital product development activity. So within the product life cycle management processes, so CAD plays a very crucial role, and it is one of the part, and as such is used together with other tools which are either integrated modules so or standalone products, such as you can see here. So computer aided engineering and finite element analysis, here you are going to do the analysis part. And next, computer aided manufacturing, so it includes instructions to computer numerical control machines, and photorealistic rendering and motion simulation, and document management and revision control using product data management. And also you have nowadays additive manufacturing, that is the 3D manufacturing, so that also you are going to use. And technology where it has been advanced. Originally, software for CAD systems were developed in the starting days by using the Fortran and Algol. So, but with the advancement of object-oriented programming methods, it has been radically changed. Nowadays, we are going to use C modules with their own APIs, and a CAD system can be seen built up from the interaction of a graphical user interface. So in this one, you are going to use the NURBS geometry or B representation. So that is a solid modeling via a geometric modeling kernel. So these are the applications for the CAD. So CAD may be used to design curves and figures in two-dimensional, three-dimensional. So CAD is very important in industrial art. Extensively will be used in automobiles and shipbuilding and aerospace industries, industrial and architectural designs and prosthetics in order to make the prosthetics. And so it has a very wide range of applications and in terms of economic importance. And so the main thing is by using the CAD, you can maximum reduce the cost of the project or the product. So as virtually you are able to create everything, and virtually you can do the analysis in the real functional application. So this number of ways it can provide a good flexibility for the designer and for the design department. So to have a better productive and flexibility and easy complex designs also can be made easily.